can raise your hand and tell me what this is?
Oh, okay.
Right here. What? Oh, and I can't hear her. What? It's a soccer ball. Amazing. Oh, I guess in some countries it would be called a football. It's actually, in America, it's called soccer. A lot of other countries call it football. Good call. All right. So there's 3 basic skills that we're going to learn in soccer: passing, dribbling, and then what's another basic skill you need in soccer? Yeah, shooting. Okay, so forget about shooting for today. Think today more about dribbling, mostly, and then number 2, passing, okay? Let's talk about dribbling first. Can you hold the question? Okay, quick comment, go.
So technically, would there be 4 main things, and one of them would be running?
Running is more of it's a skill that's not specific to soccer. Okay, here we go. But yes, that would be important for soccer. When I'm dribbling, you want to keep the ball close to you, okay? It should be controlled. So if I'm dribbling from this spot, this orange spot, to that blue spot, I'm going to just yell it out. What part of my foot do I use?
Outside.
Inside. Sometimes you can use the outside. You can go back and forth. I want you guys to focus on using the inside, okay? So if I'm dribbling, I'm putting it forward with the inside of my feet. I go left, right, like this. I'm moving it forward. Very controlled. You see how that's not going way in front of me? I don't want to do this. Okay? You get it. So when you're dribbling, keep it about 2 to 3 feet in front of you. Just a little tap with the inside of your foot like this, and then you can tap it with the opposite foot in the inside. You can even use one foot over and over again. So if your dominant foot is the right foot, which means you kick with your right foot, you can tap it forward with your right foot over and over again like this as you're moving. That's fine with me. Who wants to come up here and show me that? Right here. Just dribble from orange to blue. Dribble with one foot for right now. Good. So, that's also acceptable. I know he's played soccer before. If you want to tap the ball with the outside of your foot, how he was doing, kind of turned like this, that's fine. If you're just starting out and haven't done it before, go inside of your foot, okay? One more person, come up here and I want you to demonstrate 2 feet dribbling, back and forth. Bastian, you want to do it? Try it, I don't care if you've done it before, never done it, fine. So go right foot, left foot, kind of back and forth. Good, left toe, that was good. Second one was better. Start over right here. So instead of poking it with your toe, turn your foot. It's gonna feel a little awkward at first. Turn your foot, hit it like that. Nice and soft. Much better. Much better, good. Kick me that ball, or throw it to me, either one. Thank you. All right, so that's skill number 1 for what we're doing today. We're also gonna add a second skill. We're gonna add passing. I need one more volunteer. Jumping in the back with the sunglasses. Go to the blue spot, I'm gonna stand on orange. Who can tell me, what part of the foot do we use when we're passing? Actually, everyone just yell it out.
Inside.
Inside of the foot. Going back to what he was saying, you can also use the outside of your foot for passing, but that's even more advanced, extra fancy. That's almost like if you'd be doing a fake pass, okay? We're using the inside of our foot. So if I have the ball here, I'm passing it to her. I want to take a couple steps back. I want to step into the ball, swing with my foot backwards, bring it forward. It should hit right there. Almost my ankle. You're hitting right between your foot and your ankle. So I'm going to come here and I'm looking at her and the ball. Come here and I pass it. That was a pretty slow pass, but the point is to get it to her. So now you do the same thing to me. Take a step back. Good. Inside of your foot. Yep. Take a step up and then pass it. That was good. That was perfect. Awesome. I thought that was your shoe at first. Okay. So stay there again. When you need to pass with a little more power, you need to get more strength on it, you can take more steps back, right? The further you have to run up to it, the more power you can get on it. If she's this close, I don't need that much power on it, because if I hit it that hard, too hard, it's just going to bounce off her feet or it's going to go past her. So I would just do one step and go like that. Okay? Do one more to me, another pass. That was perfect, good. And then I'll come here, pass back there like that. Okay. So, one more person come up here. No, oh yeah, right here. The one that's gonna strain himself from raising his hand so high. Right here, go on the orange, pass it back to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time stop it with your foot. Stop it with your foot, good. Stop it with your foot, perfect. All right, hold on. What do they do when they stop the ball? Yeah. They rested their toe on top of the ball. Exactly. Okay, so 2 basic skills. You guys have played soccer before, a lot of you. We're gonna combine those basic skills into what we were doing today with the other classes. We were with the other classes doing a relay race. So instead of doing a relay race with you guys, we're gonna do a relay race with soccer balls. So you're gonna dribble the balls around and you're gonna pass the ball to the next teammate and continue dribbling. I'll explain that in more detail in a second. With the other classes, we're using batons. We're handing off batons. We're gonna be doing it with soccer balls with you guys, okay? No? It is harder. It is harder, yeah, question. Yeah, hold on. You two can sit down, thank you.
When we were at recess or lunch,
Uh-huh.
I saw kids using the batons and the rock to dig in the dirt.
Oh, well,
They got 'em all dirty.
that's too bad. Maybe next time I'll bring the batons in so they can do it. Listen. I'm not running today, okay? Yeah, I put them on sport mode. How many minutes am I at? 3 left? Okay, so here's how this is gonna work. We're gonna take the skills of passing and we're gonna take the skills of dribbling. We're gonna put it into a relay race. I want you guys to look out to the field. Do you see all the little small dome cones? They're really flat. They're in a big oval shape. You see those, right? Now do you see the regular cones? Okay, so look back at the small dome cones that are in the shape of an oval. That's the track. Raise your hand if you've ever gone to the Burroughs track or Burbank High track. You've seen what a track looks like. Okay, perfect. That's what this is supposed to look like, except the elementary schools, you guys don't have tracks. So imagine that oval is a big track, and do you see the other cones? What color is it? Inside cone, what color do you see? In the middle? Okay, let's go all the way in the inside of the track. Yellow, orange, then what? Blue, then what? Green, then what? Yellow again. Perfect. So, those are going to be the teams. There will be a yellow team, an orange team, a blue team, and a green team. If I'm on the blue team, I stand with the blue cone on my left side like this. If I'm on the green team, I stand with the green cone on my left side like this. What team am I on? Orange. What team am I on? Yellow. Good. How many stations do you see? If that's one station, how many stations do you see? 4. Station 1 is over there, where the green hurdle is. Station 2 is over there. Station 3 is over there. Station 4 is right here where I just was. So what does that mean? How many people will be on each team?
16.
One team will have how many people? What do you think? 4. Because we want one person at each station. So the first person starts at station 1 with the ball at their feet. They're going to dribble from that spot around to station 2. I want to see a pass, even if it's a short pass. I want to see a pass to the next teammate that's waiting at station 2.